welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to go for a bit of a drive. Jumped into Letitia's Evo X MR, and if you guys watched the house tour video that I did recently, you would have heard me say and you would have seen that we live just at the bottom of some mountains. So yeah, we haven't gone for a drive up there since we moved here. I got the day off. Let's just put some E85 into her car and I want to take it for a drive up there. So what I'm going to do is the usual point of view driving video that I do, and I'm going to put the two microphones to get the ultimate sound like I normally do. So I'll put one in the engine bay, one near the exhaust, and yeah, put the GoPro on my head, and then we're going to just go for a drive up the mountains. So this is a very highly policed area, this mountain. It's not one that I often go driving at if I want to go for a fast drive. It's got some great corners, but unfortunately, yeah, the police seem to hide up there quite often, trying to catch people speeding. So yeah, I'm just going to have a fun drive, maybe get a few little fun corners in. But yeah, figured, always love making these videos. You guys seem to like watching them. So yeah, this is the next one. Alright guys, so as you can see, made it back home, got the car back into the garage and just letting the engine cool down now. Pulled my microphone out that I keep in the engine bay, pulled my microphone out that I keep in the exhaust area, so hopefully those picked up some good sounds for you guys. This car does sound really good. It's just tricky trying to get the microphones to be the right levels because obviously the engine's really loud, especially with the SST, makes a lot of noises, the whining and the sort of chattering sound. So yeah, trying to get that. Try to make a decent video. It's just, you know, basically a point of view drive in an Evo 10 MR. If you did enjoy the video, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and put a comment because those do really help support the channel, just helping it grow, show YouTube algorithm basically that people are enjoying and engaged in the videos. So yeah, would really appreciate that. And if you do actually want to support the channel in another way, in a monetary way, I did set up an account at buymeacoffee.com. So if you want to head over there, there's a link in the description. You can buy me a coffee or a beer. It's $5 Australian, just a one-time thing. You can buy as many or as little as you'd like. But yeah, if you want to support the channel and just want to shout me a coffee for your enjoyment of watching my videos for whatever reason, then feel free to head over, click the link, and yeah, I'd appreciate that. And like, just before I wrap it up, I just want to say there is a lot coming. Like, I'm super excited about the future of the channel. There's so many videos that I've been putting off or have been waiting to get into this house to film. There's a lot more parts for this car, my black Evo. There's a few more parts for the red Evo, as well as it's getting E-tuned very soon. So we'll bump up the boost a little bit more, make a little bit more power, and yeah, add a spark cut launch control so we can finally head back to the drag strip and try and beat the previous owner's 11.81 second quarter mile time. So all that's coming. There's a few parts, like I said, more car detailing videos. Hopefully some of you guys at least enjoy those. They don't do the best usually, but yeah, I get enough people messaging me saying, hey, make more car wash videos. They're super relaxing. So yeah, there's more of those, more of everything, but mainly just Evo stuff. So hopefully you guys are keen for that. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe. But yeah, with all that said, that's enough rambling on. End the video there. So until next time, I will catch you guys later.